Hello guys, Brian back here with a Cartesi update here. First off, you can see the zones I have up here on this chart here, okay? These are support and resistance zones. This is on a daily. You can see back through here, this zone here was major resistance down at here, major support up here, okay? So that's, you're better off to put your lines like that and have support and resistance areas. You'll learn if you especially if you're new, if you try to just put a single line there, it's going to violate that line more than likely. You're just going to get frustrated with this. So just look at your charts, go back through them and look at former resistance up here, and you had a resistance here, then you had a resistance up here, okay? So that's a zone, a resistance zone. Anywhere up through here it could get stopped out. Okay, then down here, you have support right there right now, and down here it was support, down through here it was support. Okay, so you have a support zone through here. All right, if we throw Fibonacci on Cartesi, let's see how far of a pullback we've had here. Okay, go from the low to the high. Sorry about that, we got to fit it on there. There we go. We were right down in the 786. Okay, well, I'm sorry, right at a 702 Fibonacci area. All right, perfect area to get a bounce out of this thing. Okay, our RSI is reset on this past move. If we put that trend-based fib on there, this thing worked beautifully. I love this tool. Any Fibonacci, I just love it. Okay, you can see it worked perfect. 4.236 extension out of that thing, and you had a perfect let's see here, 5 waves up. All right, let's show you them things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, then we had an ABC come in up top here. We have to zoom in on the 4-hour to actually see that. All right, but you can see it up here, right here. Okay, we had an A, a B, and a C. Okay, come in. So our correction looks like it might be over with this thing. If you look down here at the RSIs on the bottom, that 4-hour now is just pointing, it's heading back up. Okay, it looks like we have possibly hit support at that 20.2043. We got a really good bounce off that. You can see that if I zoom in here, that wick coming down there. We bounced right off there, so this thing is looking pretty solid. That's the 4-hour. We go out to the daily. The daily RSI is right at the bottom. Okay, so that's perfect. That's where you want to see this thing. It's way oversold right now. If we go out to the 8-hour, the 8-hour is just turning up, which is great. Let's look at the 12. And the 12 was just turning up. So this coin looks like it's possibly ready to bounce. All right, nothing's guaranteed, obviously, but the thing is looking really good. Let's look at the technicals on TradingView on it. Let's pull up the technicals here and go. It's on the daily. Right now it's neutral overall. Actually, the moving averages have a sell on it. The oscillators are neutral. All right, so until that catches up here, let's put the moving averages on here and see where we're at. 50 and a 200. Okay, you can see right here. Let's put them on the daily. We're still above the 50 and the 200. Okay, so I don't know what that thing is getting to. All right, but that pop. Now we were between the 50 and the 200, but we're way well above both. Okay, they're both turning back up. The 50 is still above the 200, which is bullish. Okay, we had this bullish crossover right back here, all right, which started this run up. So sometimes TradingView, them technicals need to catch up on what's going on here. Okay, so far we're up 1.43% for the day. We've had a low of 0.2043 right where we hit that bottom, and we had a high of 0.2270. All right, but looks like it might be ready to move. So as long as Bitcoin plays ball and doesn't tank, we should be ready for the next move up. So that next major resistance is up there at 36 cents to, let's see, 36 cents to 40 cents. All right, So be watching out for that. If we get up there, you want to clear that 40 cents, obviously. Right back here, you can see that was resistance right over here. Okay, and so, all right, guys, this thing's looking all right. I'll talk to you soon. Please hit the like and subscribe button.